Hey, how's it, Aloha gang? We're back at City Mill. More do-it-yourself projects. We've got Evile here. He's gonna help you out with a problem I know you've had before. We're talking about the leaky faucet.
Leaky faucet.
What do people need to do and what do they need to know?
Okay, first thing they need to determine with a double handle, is it the cold or the hot side that's leaking? How you do that is basically to shut off the shut-off valve for each of these, turn off one and turn on the other one. The one that has the drip is the one obviously that's leaking.
Got it.
And that's off of your shut-off valve in the back here. Now, you need to take off the handles. There's a Allen screw in here that need to come out. Second step is you remove this screw up here.
Okay.
That holds the cartridge to the faucet. Some of the cartridges don't have O-rings or washers in there. I'll replace the whole thing. Inexpensive, but at least you get to replace everything. So you remove the screw on the top here, you gotta remove this lock nut right over here. If you have an adjustable wrench, blue tape it or put something on there so you don't want to damage the lock. Once you got that going, that should come out pretty easily. See if you can pull that up. This is a cartridge replacement. The first thing that would go is probably an O-ring. There's a seat in here. It comes out just like that. That might also be a problem. And you can tell if it's corroded because it's missing pieces, it's brittle, then you replace that. Bring your piece that needs to be replaced to City Mill, bring it just like this and we can find the right one for you. So you got this replacement piece.
Okay, awesome. So we got the new cartridge in. Now handle goes back on top, yeah?
Handle goes right back on top. If you find the brand name, it'll be a lot easier so that when you remove it, you can bring it in and we can match it up.
Everything we just used, these are available at City Mills across the island?
8 location or go on citymill.com and you'll find it.
There you go, fix that faucet.
Brought to you by City Mill.